These innovative features are designed to improve mobile search experience for all of its users. Are you tired of sifting through endless search results on your mobile device and looking for ways to get over it? Well, Google has just announced 5 significant updates to its popular Chrome browser. These innovative features are designed to improve the mobile search experience for all of its users. These new features aim to make searching on the go more efficient, intuitive, and personalized. More Chrome Actions for local places. Chrome Actions is one of the amazing features on Chrome that can help you save time and allows users to quickly find local places, including restaurants, shops, and more, with just a few taps. This feature is perfect for those who wish to look for nearby businesses or services quickly. Redesigned address bar on tablets. The tech giant have refreshed the Chrome address bar on iPads and Android tablet addresses and have redesigned the search feature for the users by providing a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. The new design makes it easier to browse the web on larger screens. New shortcut suggestions. The new shortcut suggestions features for both Chrome on Android and iOS bring a personalized touch that suggests shortcuts to frequently visited websites and search queries, allowing users to access their favorite content faster. Trending searches in Chrome on iOS. The users would be able to see trending search suggestions in your Chrome address bar on iOS. This feature now shows trending searches, helping the users discover popular topics and stay up to date on the latest news and trends. New sports cards in Chrome's Discover feed. This feature allows users to customize the Discover feed on their Chrome mobile. The feature now includes sports cards, providing users with quick access to scores, schedules, and news from their favorite teams and leagues.